Hello, my lovelies. Okay, this is the second lesson for the day, and it's called prisms. So we're going to start by reading this together, and then I'm going to explain a little bit about prisms to you, okay? A flat surface of a prism is called a face. The face that a prism rests on is called its base. So the base is what it sits on. So this would be the base, and this would be the base, okay? And the shape of the base identifies the name of the prism. The base is identical to the top face of the prism. So, this shape right here, let me just look at the shape that I'm outlining right now. That's a rectangle, and we know that, right? A rectangular prism is a 3D rectangle. It's a rectangular box. That's it. They kind of wrote that in an interesting way. This shape right here is a square. We know that. Easy peasy. Now, if I make that square 3D, it's a square prism, also called a cube. Cube. So we're going to look at each prism. You're going to think, oh my gosh, this is so hard. I can't do this. Yes, you can. Believe me, it's going to be a piece of cake. So, they want us to match each prism to its name. We're starting with triangular prism. Is that shape a triangle? No. Is that shape a triangle? No. What about that one? Is that a triangle? No. Is that a triangle? 1, 2, 3 sides. Yes. That is a triangular prism. That is a triangular prism. Which one is a square prism? Which one's a square prism? The red one. Good. The red one, because I see my square right there. It's a 3D square. Which one's a rectangular prism? Which one's a rectangular prism? The green one. Good, the green one. Because that right there is a rectangle. What about the hexagonal prism? The hexagonal prism. Remember, how many sides does a hexagon have? 6. 6. So let's double check. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So that's not a hexagon. Let's check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a hexagonal prism, which means the yellow one has to be a pentagonal prism because a pentagon has 5 sides. 5 sides. Easy, easy, easy. We got it. We got it. Draw all the faces of a square prism. Okay, we're going to use this one right here to look at, okay? All the faces of a square prism. So I'm going to start out with one square. Okay, I got this one right here. Got that one. And then let's do the bottom. Let's do the bottom square. And let's do this square in the back. It's another square. And let's do the square on the top. That's another square. And let's do that one in the back. Believe it or not, I have one more. I have this one right here. So there are 6 different faces of a square prism. 6 different faces of a square prism. A lot of people sometimes will draw it like this because it makes it a little bit easier to see. So this would be the bottom of the box, and this would be the top of the box, and these would be all the sides. So can you see kind of how that would fold up into a box? Yeah, so that's a little bit easier. You can pause the video right now if you need to. Okay, on the back, they want you to write, why is my camera all wonky? There it is. Write square, rectangular, or triangular to identify each prism. Remember, look at the shape, find the shape. And circle each object that has the same attributes as the solid figure. So they want you to look at the solid figures here, and then they want you to go, well, does that look like that one? No, probably not. Does that one look like that one? Yeah, so I'd circle that. I do want you to do the time to review. It says color the shape that is identical in shape and size. So you need to color the shapes here that match the shape and size. Hint, hint, they can be turned upside down, but they have to be the same shape and the same size. So I'm not going to color this one for the triangle because that's not the same shape. Okay? All right, good luck. You guys got this.